Now you want to connect to a new patient. So what you do is that you just go new, select new patient. You've got two options here. So you've got, this is adults and this is pediatrics. So we'll be using adults. You type in the patient hospital or ID here, type in male or female, height and weight if you have it, and press confirm. Okay. Now, you can already pre-select the modes. So over here, down here, you've got the current mode that the machine's on. You've got FiO2, you've got tidal volume, rate, IE ratio, PEEP. You've selected the type of patient and the type of circuit you're going to use. I'm just going to navigate around the screen display. So we've selected adult at the moment. You've got the current mode that the machine's on. If you press the current mode button, you can change the type of modes that you can be on and the different parameters. So if I select SIMV for example and press confirm, I'm in SIMV now. Over here you've got the touchscreen keys which you can adjust by just selecting them and just adjusting them on the blue knob over here, and then just press to confirm the changes like so. So now that we've changed modes, okay, and you want to connect to the patient, so we'll theoretically say like this is the patient. We connect to the patient. We press start, press continue, and now we're ventilating. You've got this little bar graph over here. The bar graph basically gives you the type of displays that you can get. So the first one that you press on your left hand side, it's basically just big numbers. So this is very useful if you are basically going your break and your colleague can see next door. The next one that we've got is basically a graph and some parameters. The next one that we have got is basically just graphs and all your figures in smaller numbers. For the physios, if they're looking for loops, the fourth one, you've got the last one on the right hand side, which gives you all the figures. Okay, we're just going to talk about the screen and just navigating around the screen. So if you press the menu button here, you've got the different procedures and functions that the machine can do. At the bottom, you've got 5 buttons over here. So you've got the alarm. If you press that, it shuts the machine up for 2 minutes. You've got O2 boost. So if you press that, it goes to 100% for 2 minutes on the bar graph. If I press it again, it's stopped. Okay. You've got a camera function which gives you a snapshot of what's happening at a particular moment. You've got the screen lock button, so just in case you've got a spillage or something, you can wipe the screen. So at the moment it's locked. To unlock it, as you can see, it highlights in the blue LED. Once you press it again, it's unlocked. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the suction feature on this machine, so you might need it when you're suctioning a patient or changing a filter. So you just press the suction button like so. You've got a 2 minute suction oxygenation bar graph over here. So if I disconnect the patient now, it stops. So just make sure that you push it away from your face or your body. Okay. Once you've changed the filter or you've finished suctioning it, just reconnect the patient and it will start ventilating again. We're going to connect a nebulizer to the circuit. So basically we're using an Aerogen nebulizer. So you've got a wire like so. You've got the skinny greyish bit that goes in here into the nebulizer. Then you've got the other end of the cable, which has got a red dot over here. On the actual ventilator it says Aerogen. You've got the red dot at the top. You just basically match it on a 12 o'clock position. It's got 2 pins over here. So just make sure that it's straight and red to red. You push it in like so. Now that we've got the nebulizer connected to the circuit, just go to menu, go to nebulizer. Okay. Now you've got the nebulizer screen like so. Unlike our Draeger or Hamilton ventilators, the machine actually calculates the amount of the time that it will take for the volume of medication that you're giving. So for this example, we're going to use 10 mils. As you can see, the nebulizer is already preset to Aerogen. Okay. So what we do is that we press on the time, okay, and then if you can go up, so I'm just going with the knob to the right hand side and getting 10 mils. 10 mils will take 26 minutes. So I've got to confirm. I press the blue knob to confirm. So I've got 10 mils, it will take 26 minutes. I press play to start nebulizing.